Hey there, my friend, welcome. I'm Dr. Anthony Balduzzi, founder here at the Fit Father Project. In today's video, we're gonna look at how to do the triceps kickback, which is a great triceps exercise, but a lot of people do it the wrong way and it ends up kind of wasting time and not being that effective. So in this video, we're gonna break down some of the anatomy of the tricep and actually how to do this exercise properly so you really feel it and get great progress and get a bigger, stronger arm. And I'm gonna show you two versions, both the dumbbell and the cable here in this video. And at the end, after I've done the tutorial and shown you all the key form points, we're gonna talk about some sets and reps and how to implement this great exercise into your routine for faster progress. I know you're gonna learn a ton. So get out your pen and paper, take some notes, and let's dive on in.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so if you've been in a gym, you've probably seen some people do this exercise before where they grab a dumbbell, they're sitting on a bench right here, and you see them sitting here and just kicking back the dumbbell just like this, back and forth. So I'm gonna show you the proper way to do it, but first we need to look at the triceps in general. You know, there's three heads to the triceps, and it's a muscle. The action is it both extends the elbow, so this motion works the tricep, extending the elbow, but it also extends the shoulder. The long head of the triceps crosses the shoulder joint, so we wanna make sure we respect both actions of the triceps, the extension here at the elbow and the extension at the shoulder. This is the maximum contracted position for the triceps. It's not just this here, and that's gonna be key when looking at this. So let's look at the most common way people do this. They do the dumbbell triceps kickback. They get here into like a position almost like you're doing a row, and it comes right here, and the triceps comes up and kicks back right to here and comes right back down. Back, kick, come right down. Back, come right back down. Now it's a pretty good exercise because you can feel the big contraction here at the top, but the problem is gravity's pulling the dumbbell down. At this point, the only tension I'm feeling in my muscles is actually my upper back supporting this dumbbell. The triceps not really working here. It starts to work as I come up here, but it's not working down here. So this is the problem with a dumbbell triceps kickback, is that we only have tension at the peak of the motion. When we're back here, the dumbbell's just being dragged down by gravity. We don't have the full tension. This is why I highly encourage you to switch away from those triceps kickbacks to a cable. Because the cable, we're gonna set it up in this low position, gives us this full range vector of constant tension. The cable's pulling me, no matter where I be in this position, all the way through here. So I'm gonna brace here. I'm gonna get into this very similar position that I would be normally when I'm doing a dumbbell triceps kickback, except I'm gonna be here and I'm extending at the shoulder. So I'm both moving the arm, but I'm also extending at the shoulder. So I get a bigger range of motion on the triceps. So it comes back right to here and it comes right on down. Constant tension, because no matter what position I'm in here, where's the pull? It's not down here like the dumbbell, it's across in this vector. So you can see my triceps working as I'm going through just like this. Coming through here, squeezing the crap out of that handle, coming right here, pause, good, just like this. Perfect. So that is how to do the triceps kickback. Again, the key form points is that we both want to extend at the elbow and at the shoulder, and the best way to do that is to set up a cable so we have that right vector in the low position. Now, in terms of doing this exercise, it's a little more of a finesse exercise for the triceps, so you might want to do that at the end of your workout. So whether it's at the end of a push day, like you did chest, shoulders, triceps, this might be a good exercise at the tail end of your workout, or if you have an arm day, if that's how you set up your workouts, then this might be something you do later in the workout. You want to prioritize some bigger triceps motions before this. Things like all your overhead pressing, your close grip bench press, some other exercises. This is a very isolation exercise, which have their place in training, but you want to prioritize the bigger compound movements ahead of this one. And I do recommend you do this on the cable. You're going to get better benefits than just flailing a dumbbell around and hoping that your triceps are going to grow. So I hope you found this valuable and learned something. If you did, give us a thumbs up here on YouTube. We love to hear your feedback, and it just encourages us to make more great videos like this. And definitely subscribe to our Fit Father Project YouTube channel. We have hundreds of videos on the channel already right now that you can sink your teeth into on some of the best arm exercises like this, as well as for every other body part. But we also cover not just exercises, nutrition, supplementation, motivation, all the things you need to know to stay strong and healthy for your family. We are the Fit Father Project. This is what we do. So give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment below, and subscribe to our channels for updates when we post new videos. And if you like this and you like to go deeper on some of the best exercises and how to actually do them properly, like these subtle distinctions that make the exercises more effective, then we have a free cheat sheet that covers the 50 best exercises divided up by body parts. The best arm exercises, which this one actually does not make the list. There are some far better ones that I want you to check out and learn, as well as back, chest, shoulders, arms. We cover it all in this cheat sheet. We'll send that right to your email. It has all the video tutorials straight for you. It's going to be an amazing resource as you're building a workout program that's scientifically based and very effective. I know you're going to love that. And so you can click in the description. You can download that free cheat sheet. Again, we'll send it right to your email. And you can check out our Fit Follower Project blog. There's links to all of our free resources, our free meal plan, our free workouts. We have a ton of stuff for you to sink your teeth into. So check that out as well. I'm grateful you found this video. I hope you found it helpful. Give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe. I'll see you around the channel, and I'll talk to you very soon, my friend.